Ja siinä on ihan Markerin ensimmäinen kori ja toinen nousee jo ilmaan ja sillä kyllä kaunis kuuluu kuuluu rauhaan.
Mutta jälkikilpailuhan ei ole ainoa
Hello, I am Chun Jie and welcome to my channel. Today is the 1st of May, which is also a very traditional festival, the Vappu in Finland. And now I'm in Tampere, Finland, and now I'm going to the city center to see how the Finnish will celebrate this holiday. Got off the train and there are 4 people. I haven't seen all of these people on the street for a long time, really long time. That's really interesting because many people notice that they care of this social distance, but in this festival, there are just the 4 people on the street. I think most people know the International Labor Day as this 1st of May, but here it's a little bit different. They celebrate this Vappu because of this the beginning of summer. You can hardly imagine that just maybe 2 weeks ago there was a heavy storm. Well, it's 23rd April. Of course, we're in Finland here, and the streets are like full of snows. But now spring is come, and you can see here it's completely different.
Mä luin viime viikolla uutisen 100-vuotiaiksi eläneistä suomalaisista. Samalla säilyttäen voitetaan.
Hello. Usually, how will you celebrate this Vappu? I know that
in general, Vappu is like the 1st of May is all over the world. It's a Labor Day, so it's for the labor, for the working people, their celebration. But in Finland, it's also a celebration for students and everyone who has studied. They have this kind of hat.
Yeah, I saw lots of people with this white hat.
This white hat. And then the ones who have this, if you see somewhere a hat with a rope, like they have a rope and a black thing hanging over there. That's a technical university rope. And these are mainly the people that are coming that are studying now in technical university especially. And they will be dipped to the fjord or river here as a freshman year.
How about the others? I mean, that if you are not a student, how will you do during this time?
Because it's also a time, like 1 week ago we still had some snow in Finland.
Yeah,
so
I know, that's incredible.
Now this is like where the spring officially starts for everyone. So this is has been traditionally the 30th and the 1st is a big celebration in Finland. So everybody is outside.
Like celebrating for the coming of spring?
Yeah, coming of summer. Basically.
Summer,
yeah. Long winter is over and now it's light, as you can see, it's sunshine.
We survived this winter.
Yeah, yes, exactly.
Thank you, have a nice day.
Yeah, you too, thanks.
Onnistuneet täyttämään, niin Fuksipassihan on tänä vuonna 30. kertaa käytössä, eli suorastaan juhlavuosi.
Kaiken kaikkiaan meillä on 4. Ja siellä seuraava kori täytetään managereilla. Tässä kohtaa on varmaan hyvä aika kiittää